Well, today's rate plunge isn't confined to the United States. Yields across the globe are collapsing as central banks aggressively cut rates. In the past 24 hours, we've seen surprise cuts from New Zealand, Thailand, and India. They join a slew of other nations that have eased over the past few months. The global tightening is even putting more pressure on the Fed to do the same. Let's bring in Steve Liesman with more on this.
What's the point? Seymour said I'm irrelevant.
No, not you.
Not you. You equate,
First of all,
that means you
welcome
equate
to the
yourself with the
desk.
Federal Reserve.
Wow.
But to the point that is the Federal Reserve in control here? Or are we just being whipsawed around by what's going on around the world and in other central banks?
I think Tim is right to the extent that the markets have done substantial easing for the economy and for the Federal Reserve. The Fed's job now is to either meet that easing by bringing down rates or to go against it. And if you look at where the probabilities are, they are substantially priced for more easing by the Federal Reserve. 100% chance for the September cut with some 30% or so odds for a 50 basis point cut. And then you move on, and now there's at least really now 3 cuts just about priced in. December goes up and down above 50%.
3 more cuts in play.
Exactly. 3 more cuts currently in play. And I think that's a big deal. And the question I think you have, among other questions out there, is to what extent does the Fed have to act because other central banks are acting? And that becomes a question you could put in terms of, is the Fed the price maker or the price taker in this case? It's not always one or the